Viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are traveling from Moreton to West Kirby. This is the Moreton Station car park. The station has 34 space car park. On the left is the cycle storage. This train is going to Liverpool. Here we are standing at Moreton Station, which is a charming little hub nestled in the heart of the Wirral. The station has been operational since 1888 and has a simple yet welcoming vibe. As I wait for my train, let me tell you a little bit about the Merseyrail line. It serves more than just transportation needs. It's a vital link for the community and a gateway to beautiful destinations. Moreton Station has toilets available, cycle storage, and car park facility as well. Next train to West Kirby is at 10:14. Okay. During the off-peak hours, you can buy very economical tickets to travel around the Mersey line. Return ticket costed me around £4.35. This is the train timetable, Wirral line, and this is the local rail network map. Where we are right now, we are here at Moreton, and from here we'll go to Mules, Manor Road, Hoylake, and then West Kirby. This is the helpline button which you can press and get the assistance from the on-duty staff. This is the waiting area. Moreton Station is an easy gateway to some of the most scenic spots in Wirral. On your way, you can catch a glimpse of beautiful beaches that hug the coastline, and if you are lucky, you might spot some wildlife. Keep your eyes peeled for seabirds soaring overhead. Moreton is home to North Wirral Coastal Park. New class 777 train is arriving with the 4 carriages. It will take us to West Kirby from Moreton via Mules, Manor Road, and Hoylake.
The next station is Mules.
I have just boarded the train, and wow, the interior is clean and comfortable. I have got my favorite seat right next to the window, perfect for soaking in the views. As we settle into our seats, let me give you a little background on this route. The Merseyrail network is known for its efficiency, connecting cities and coastal towns with stunning views along the way. The journey from Moreton to West Kirby is only about 6 miles long and typically takes around 20 minutes, perfect for a scenic escape. The Merseyrail line runs alongside some picturesque area, and I can already see some horses grazing in the fields. Look at the view. It's a perfect reminder of how nature harmonizes with everyday life here.
when stepping from the train.
Hey, look! Look! Pennywise!
Get off the monorail.
Look, Pennywise!
Man boots, Sally.
No, look! Pennywise!
Look at all them little.
I've got to get off the monorail to Wirral. And I got the monorail up the steps.
There's a big one!
The next station is Merseyrail.
We have reached Mule Station. Only couple of stops left to reach West Kirby.
That's the doctor's there. Whence you can find it.
As we cruise along, let's talk a little about the train itself. Merseyrail trains are designed for comfort and convenience. They are clean, spacious, and have facilities for everyone. Whether you are a commuter, a tourist, or just out for a leisurely day, Merseyrail caters to all. There are places to charge your devices, plenty of room for luggage, and even bike racks. One of my favorite things about train travel is how it allows you to sit back and soak in the landscape. Here, you will see a blend of lush greenery, charming houses. I mean, just look at the view. Okay, we are at Manor Road Station.
This is Manor Road. Please take care when stepping from the train.
Train is arriving at Manor Road Station.
There's our steps.
Is that container?
We are now approaching Wirral. Step-free access is available at this station. This is Wirral. Please take care when stepping from the train.
Train is arriving at Hoylake Station.
The train. Thank you for travelling with Merseyrail.
West Kirby is famous for its expansive beach and stunning views across the water to Wales. You can even walk out to Hilbre Island at low tide, a perfect spot for a little adventure. Plus, there are so many cafes and shops to explore right on the promenade. Here we are. Welcome to West Kirby. You can't help but feel a sense of excitement being here. Today's train journey from Moreton to West Kirby was not just about getting from point A to B.
This is
It was about
Scenic,
experiencing the
where
beauty
this
that
train
lies
journeys.
within the short
Please
ride.
take care when
If you
switching from
get the
train.
chance, I highly recommend this adventure. It's relaxing, scenic, and you never know what hidden gems you might discover along the way. If you enjoyed this journey, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more adventures, and let me know in the comments where you would like me to explore next. Thanks for joining me today, and as always, happy travels.
Yeah.
I hope you would have enjoyed this vlog. Please like and subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can see future notifications. Thank you for watching. This is a lovely West Kirby station. Yeah. This is the parking area of West Kirby station. Okay, now we'll exit the station. This is the vending machine. This is the ticket office. And this is the platform. What are the facilities available at the station? They have a cash machine, staff assistance, induction loop, CCTV, cycle storage, full access, and ticket vending machine as well. Okay, this is West Kirby. Now we will explore this area. Following this video next week, I will be uploading my walk tour to beautiful West Kirby. Till that time, bye bye.